What's up, YouTube? Project Overland coming at you with an all new install video. Today I'm pretty pumped because it's been a long time coming for this driver's side grab handle for your A-pillar. Recently, since I've lifted my truck, with a 3-inch lift, 35s and whatnot, it's been pretty rough having to hop into my truck, and I'll show you guys what exactly I'm talking about. So hopping in, and there's nothing to grab onto here, so I'm going to be installing this grab handle right here, and I'll show you guys what's in the box. So this is this company called KTJO 4x4. So they have a lot of OEM plug and play parts. They have many more different grab handles. They have pretty cool things to, if you want to check out their stuff on their website. So first off, we have the hardware. They send you a little plastic pry tool, and you have the hardware here, as well as a card to, if you need help on the install, you can log on to their website and they have a install guide, so that's pretty cool. So next is, let's check it out. Next is this grab handle, and here's the A-pillar that they send you. So let me try to open this up and show you guys what it looks like. So here it is. Here's the grab handle. Looks pretty legit. There's some good weight to it. And yeah, there's that. Let's see the A-pillar here now. Pretty hard doing it with one hand, but let's see if I can wiggle it out. And there is my new A-pillar. So let's check this out. It's gonna go something like this. So you guys can see, I'll kind of back up. Right on. So let me get into it. As always, if you guys like the video, if you want to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and we'll get going with the install. Okay, so first step to taking your stock A-pillar off, there's the SRS airbag little cap right here. So with their pry tool, I'm going to go ahead and pop this off first. There's a bolt behind here that you're going to have to unbolt. I believe it's a, let's see, a 10. Yeah, it's a 10 millimeter here. So now that you pop that off, I'm going to unscrew or unbolt this 10 millimeter bolt. I'll show you guys that. All right, seems like it's coming out. Alright, so here's your stock 10 millimeter bolt, and now that should be the only bolt they're gonna need, so set that aside and save it. And now it's just kind of prying this thing off. I just pull down here and pull up now just to pop this off, and it should just pop right out like so. And you see that? There's your stock one. You can go ahead and place that and put it to the side. I'm probably gonna keep the stock hardware just in case I ever want to go back to stock, which I probably won't, but you never know. So I'm gonna keep this and put this on the side. I'll just kind of put it on the dash right now. And so you can see where that bolt lined up. And then now next, I'll kind of bring the camera in. Next, you're gonna put that little gold clip that I showed you earlier, and that's going to slide right over this bracket, and I'll show you guys that here in a second. All right, guys, so I tried attempting to put the A-pillar on, but every time I try to pop it on, this little C-clamp or this little nut that it comes with wants to fall off. And I've tried, you know, prying down on it a little bit more, and it's still not working out. So I just put some blue tape, masking tape, just to hold it in place temporary while I pop this A-pillar in, and I'll show you guys that here. So I just finished installing the A-pillar here, the new A-pillar, and to simply put it back in, you want to start, there's two little tab holes at the bottom that you want to line up, and make sure you know, pop that in first, and then this little weather stripping right here, you want to make sure it overlaps your A-pillar. So just takes a little you know, finagling, I guess, and it's on there loosely, so the bolts, the hardware provided with the handle is what is really gonna button this and tighten this all up. So stay tuned here and I'll show you guys this next. Okay, so now I got my grab handle here. I'll probably take this thing wants to come out, so I'll probably take it out for right now. And we'll start at the top and kind of work our way. So we'll pop this in like so. Okay, we're nice and snug. So I can feel the threads right there. Why doesn't it want to go in? So in my honest review thus far, as I thought this would be super straightforward and easy to bolt in a line up these bolts, I'm not gonna lie, it probably took me about 20 minutes just to start this top bolt, because it's at a funky angle and you really have to play around with it. As you see, I put some tape going across the top part because that was kind of getting in my way. So what I kind of did was, let me find, one second. So what I did was to start the, because I couldn't really see with this little spacer in between, is I kind of started with the bolt. Let me see if that focuses. I started with this bolt and the spacer all in one, and then just kind of started that inside the hole just to start the threads. And that seemed to work out because I can get a better visual through this little pinhole that's really hard to see, and I got it to go somehow. So bear with me here. I'm going to try to do the bottom one. If it's anything like the top, it'll probably take me a minute. So I'll try to videotape this part though. So I'm gonna tighten this down a little bit more, and yeah, just gonna do this not super tight. I'm just gonna leave it there for right now, and I'm gonna start doing the bottom one. So let's see if I can get a good camera angle for you guys. So here is the finished product of the driver's side grab handle, and looks really good. It's really sturdy. just be careful when you do align these bolts not to over tighten them, because at the end of the day, this is all plastic and you can break the, you can over tighten it and kind of strip it and break the plastic. So make sure, as you're tightening it, just check the handle. If it feels pretty sturdy, then kind of leave it be. Don't go too ham on it. And same thing with the bottom one, obviously. But again, the bottom bolt actually went in a lot quicker than the top one. This top one was probably the hardest one because it was a fixed nut on the end, versus the one that at the beginning of the video that I showed you with that gold clip, I was able to kind of move it around and kind of put it where I wanted it, versus the top one, which was a fixed threads. So overall, not too hard of a project. It was just frustrating to align the top one, but after that one, the bottom one goes in pretty easily. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are in the market for a grab handle for your 3rd gen Tacoma, then definitely check out this company. And if you have any questions on the install video, then please leave a comment down below. And if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. So thanks for watching, and Project Overland out. Peace.